Hi guys, I'm Marcela. Welcome back to our channel. I really hope you are well. If some of you are new, I invite you to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you won't miss out any of our videos. For today, I'm going to show you 8 beautiful hairstyles perfect for this month. If you want to celebrate Halloween, I'm sure one of these options could be perfect for you. If you want to wear a costume, they will be beautiful. If not, and you're a little lazy, you can wear just the hairstyle and you will stand out because we have beautiful options. Before starting this video, I want to remind you that I like to prepare the hair always before doing any hairstyle or braid. As some of you have seen, I love using our golden treatment for this. This helps growing the hair to keep it healthy and so shiny. For this month in November, you will find it on our website with 40% off. Take advantage of this awesome price. This is the first time that we have it on sale, and you can find it on our website with some other products that we've added. Now you can find bun makers as well. We have them in different sizes. You can choose the color that you want for blonde hair, black and dark. You will also find on our site this awesome tool to style the hair. I'm sure you have seen it. Some of you know it as a topsy tail. This is amazing. It's a must for me. I use it a lot and I'm sure you have seen it in many of my videos. You can find the products not only by themselves but in different kits as well, so you can get them with the best price. I invite you to have a look, visit our website and check it out. Now let's start with the video. For the first hairstyle, we're going to do a diagonal division from the forehead all the way down to the other side, and we're going to hold each one of the sections with an elastic into a ponytail. Next, we're going to use 2 pieces of ribbon of different color. We're going to split the hair into 3 equal pieces, and we're going to do a regular 3-strand braid, crossing the outside strands over the middle one. We're going to join each one of the pieces of ribbon with one of the strands of the braid. We're going to braid the hair and we're going to make sure that the ribbon is always facing up. Keep doing the same thing until you reach the end of the hair. Good. In here we can hold the hair with an elastic, and with the remaining ribbon we're going to cover the elastic doing a little bow. Next, do the same thing with the other section of hair, and I'm going to cover the top elastics as well. To finish, you can leave the hairstyle just like that or decorate it with any accessory. I have this cute little hat and this is the final result. So pretty and easy to do. For the next option, we're going to hold the hair into a high ponytail, and I'm going to use 4 pipe cleaners. You can use your favorite color. I'm going to pin them in place, 2 on top of the ponytail and 2 of them underneath the ponytail. Now I'm going to pass the hair through the middle of a bun maker, cover it very well and hold everything with 1 or 2 elastics. We're going to make sure that the bun is firm. I'm going to wrap the remaining hair all around the bun and hold it with bobby pins. In here we want to do a spider, so all we have to do is give the shape to the pipe cleaners. So we have a cute little spider. I'm going to use these stickers to decorate it. And here we have a cute and fun hairstyle. For the next option, we're going to start by holding the hair into a high ponytail as well. Now we're going to use 2 pieces of ribbon of different color. I'm going to do a double knot, split the hair in half, and we're going to hold the strands in this way. We will have to have hair ribbon from left to right. I'm going to start crossing this strand under the ribbon and over the next strand. Now from the right side, cross the ribbon over, and again from the left side, cross the ribbon under and over. From the right side, cross this section over, and from the left, cross under and over. From the right side again, cross over, and from the left side we cross under and over. We're going to keep doing the same thing until we reach the end of the hair and hold the braid with an elastic. Perfect. When we are ready, we're going to go back to pull the braid from the sides to give a little volume. And we're going to do a little bow with the remaining ribbon to cover the elastics. And here we have this beautiful braid, is one of my favorites. For the next option, we're going to split the hair in half and we're going to do a division like a headband from ear to ear. In here, I'm going to hold the back section for a while, and we're going to start from this side with a small piece of hair. I'm going to split it into 3 equal pieces, and we're going to do a Dutch braid crossing the outside strands under the middle one. In here, I'm going to add hair to the braid, cross the strands under, and add hair from the front again. Cross the strands under the middle, and add hair from the front. We're going to keep doing this until we reach the other side. Now we can take off this elastic and we're going to keep braiding. From here, I'm going to add hair from the front and from the back as well. As you can see, I'm braiding all around the head, doing a braided crown. When we reach the end, we're going to hold the braid with an elastic, wrap it around the head, and hold it with bobby pins. Make sure you hide the end of the braid. To decorate this hairstyle, I'm going to use a piece of ribbon. You can use a topsy tail or a plastic needle as well. We're going to wrap the ribbon all around the braid, over and over again, and we're going to make sure always that the ribbon keeps the shape. In here, I'm going to do a knot so the ribbon won't be loose during the day and hide the end. To finish, I'm going to do a little bow using a green ribbon and pin it in place. This is the final result. I love this crown. For the next hairstyle, I'm going to comb the hair and we're going to hold the hair into half ponytail. I'm going to cover the elastic with a strand of hair. This is optional. Now split this section in half, grab a piece of hair from the right side, and we're going to cross it under, over, bring it back, add hair from the other side, and now cross this strand under and over. Again, bring it under the section, add hair to the braid, cross under, over, and bring back this strand. Add hair from this side and cross this strand under, over, and we're going to keep doing the same thing until we add the remaining hair. Now I can hold the braid with an elastic. I'm going to cover it with a strand of hair as well. And for this hairstyle, we'll be using this accessory. I'm going to take the parts and I'm going to pin them in place all along the braid so it will look just like a skeleton. And this is the final result. For the next option, I'm going to hold the hair into a high ponytail and I'm going to use a bun maker. If you don't have one, you can find it now in our shop. I'm going to cover it with the hair very well and hold everything with 1 or 2 elastics. Next, I'm going to wrap the remaining hair all around the bun and hold it with bobby pins. When we are ready, I'm going to take a piece of hair and pin it in place just in the middle of the bun. Take one of the ends, pin it in place as well. I'm going to hide the ends and do the same thing with the other end. Take another piece of ribbon, pin it just in the middle of the bun and pin each one of the ends. I see I have space for one more piece of ribbon. Next, we're going to hide all the remaining pieces of ribbon. Take one more and wrap it around the bun. I'm going to do a little bow in here and I will do a green one as well. I'm going to pin it in place just in the middle so we will have a cute and fun pumpkin. For the next option, I'm going to start by doing a division in the middle of the head, grab a small section from the front and hold it into a little ponytail. Make another division, grab a piece of hair like doing a square, split in half the front ponytail, add one of the sections to this piece of hair and hold it with an elastic. Now take one more piece of hair, split the ponytail in half, add the section to this piece of hair and hold it with an elastic. I'm going to grab one more, hold it as well, and we're going to do 2 more rows of squares, adding the hair every time so you will see how we're doing a spider web. When we are ready, we're going to hold all the hair into a side ponytail. And I'm going to decorate the hairstyle with these plastic spiders. For the final option, we're going to grab a piece of hair from the top, split it into 3 equal pieces, and we're going to use 2 pieces of ribbon of different colors. I'm going to wrap them around the middle section. We're going to make a knot and we will grab the sections in this way. From the left, hair, hair, ribbon, ribbon, hair. Take the first strand and cross it under the next strand, over the ribbon, and under the yellow ribbon. Hold the strands, and now from the right side, take this strand and cross it under the next one, over the yellow ribbon, and under the orange one. Hold the strands and again from the left side, cross the strand under. We're going to add a piece of hair and now you can cross it over the orange ribbon and under the yellow one. From the right side, cross the strand under, add a piece of hair and now you can cross it over the yellow ribbon and under the orange. Again, cross the strand under, add a piece of hair and now cross this section over the orange ribbon and under the yellow one. Tie the braid a little bit and make sure that you're holding the strands very well. And again, we start from the right side, doing the same thing over and over again until we add the remaining hair. In here, we're going to keep braiding until we reach the end. Now we can hold the braid with an elastic and we're going to go back and give the braid a little volume, pulling it just from the sides. To finish, I'm going to cover the elastic doing a little bow with the remaining ribbon, and here we have this gorgeous braid.
And this is
all for today. I really hope you like this video. Let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite option, and see you next week. Bye!